Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore the new update on Instagram that allows you to easily forward likes from group messages on your PC. This feature streamlines communication and makes sharing moments with friends more efficient. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open Instagram on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located in the left menu of your screen. This icon looks like an envelope or speech bubble and is your gateway to all direct messages. Next, click on the messages icon to open your inbox. Here, you'll see a list of all your conversations. Open the group chat where you want to forward a like message. This is where all group interactions happen, making it easy to connect with multiple friends at once. Now that you are in the group chat, scroll through the messages until you find the specific message that has received a like. Once you locate it, look for the 3 dots next to that message. Clicking these dots will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Forward. This action allows you to share that liked message with other recipients. After clicking Forward, a list of your contacts will appear. Here, you can select the individuals or groups you wish to send this message to. Finally, once you've chosen your recipients, click on Send. Your liked message will be forwarded instantly, allowing others to see what you appreciated in the group chat. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, opening Instagram, accessing messages, selecting the group chat, finding the liked message, and forwarding it, you can efficiently share likes with others on your PC. This new feature not only saves time, but enhances your interaction within groups. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to try out this new update and make your Instagram experience even more enjoyable. Happy messaging!